Very good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir.
And I would love to welcome you in the premises of Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology. Then, lifelong learning. You thought when you might have been in your schooling, your parents will be telling that this is the final, just do hard work in your intermediate matriculation and life is set. This is not true. One school finishes, other begins. And for that purpose, I may suggest all of you as appropriate to watch a movie that is based on the book Seagull, written by Jonathan Livingston. When you will see that, you will realize that how the journey of human life passed into phases, and then at your tender age, when you were in, lower classes or beginning early age, is you are to certain set of teachers were provided to train you. Later on, schooling begins. And even beyond that, you came to the higher education after primary, secondary. Now this is in international domain, it is known as tertiary education, where you come here to lead the third phase of education. That is also known as in Indian system, higher education, technical education, professional education, etc., etc. For being a consistent learner, you need to be hungry. There should be appetite for learning. And that learning comes, first time when we say that enough is enough, that point becomes the full stop of our learning domain. But we need to learn, I would like to give, I see many parents are here. So something should be for parents also. They think that when they come here for placement or for admission, their first question is what is placement status? Then they start thinking that their job is done. Their students, their words are there, and it is all the responsibility of the teacher. But in schooling, teachers may take responsibility. In university, our responsibility is to show the way. For example, you can carry a horse to the water, but you cannot force the horse to drink the water. Got the point? We can carry a horse to the water, but we cannot put the horse to drink the water. That is where the role of motivation comes. The role of inner will, inner desire comes. And there somewhere your motivation matters. I would like to, once I was given an example at NITER Chandigarh, National Institute of Technical Teacher Training Center, Chandigarh. It was related to teaching and training of the students. So, in higher education, people used to tell that schooling is very poor, what can we do? Let me use Hindi words for making it more penetratable and going deeper. The university लेवल पे टीचर कहता है कि स्कूल में कुछ पढ़ाया नहीं गया, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? इंटर कॉलेज वाले मास्टर साहब लोगों ने नहीं पढ़ाया ढंग से, तो हम क्या करें? वो कहते हैं हाई स्कूल में बढ़िया नहीं पढ़ाया गया, जिसके कारण नीचे से मटेरियल अच्छा नहीं आ रहा, तो हम कितना उसको बना रहे। प्राइमरी स्कूल वाले को कहा गया, तो उसने कहा क्या करें, नर्सरी वाले ऐसे ही सबको पास करना है तो पास करके भेज देते, तो हम क्या करें? नर्सरी के टीचर से पूछा गया, उसने कहा कि पेरेंट्स जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते थे, तो बच्चे को लाके बस घर से स्कूल छोड़ देते हैं, अपने नौकरी चाकरी के बिजनेस में बिजी हो जाते हैं, वो सोचते हैं सब कुछ टीचर जाते हैं, हम क्या करें? ठीक है। फिर बच्चे की माँ से पूछा गया, तो उसने कहा कि इसके खानदान में कोई ऐसा काम नहीं किया, ये पूरा अपने बाप पे गया है और इसका बाप भी ऐसा ही था, और ये जो है उन्होंने भी कुछ नहीं किया, ये भी कहा है कि कुछ नहीं करेगा। तो लेट द मदर हैव द फाइनल वर्ड, क्योंकि जो है लर्निंग वहीं से स्टार्ट होती है, की फर्स्ट गुरु। तो इसके बाद अगले हम किसी पे नहीं जानेंगे। वहाँ पे मम्मी ने बताया कि पापा का रोल है इसमें, और वो ध्यान नहीं देते, खाली बिजनेस में पैसा कमाने में बिजी रहते। तो मदर एंड फादर their parenting is still required, because Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore said that this is teenage 13 to 19, जिसमें आप बच्चों को हमारे पास छोड़ लेंगे, you are going to send them to us, and this age is known as age of stress and storm. Age of meditation is known as age of stress and storm. इसे दबाव और तूफान की अवस्था कहते हैं बच्चों के जीवन में। For that purpose, very tender, caring, open-minded, and proper guardianship is required on you. ये जो इंसान is telling something to you, you must be open to listen. You may like it or not, but you have to listen. His choices, his desires, his wishes to do what he wants to do. And to care him, to provide him proper care, that is your role now. Because it's not the role of, making autocratic learning, dictatorship learning, rather making it the learning more democratic. Democratization of learning is the university environment. Here a teacher cannot rush through behind every son and daughter that you have to. You know, once I was having some industrial training, industry institute interface, because that is also the major part of technical education. Someday, sometime, we require to bridge the gap of industry and academia. And what happened? One an industrialist asked me, "आप किसको पढ़ाते हो?" मैंने कहा बच्चों को पढ़ाते। बोले आपको तो फांसी दे दी जाए। इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने मुझसे कहा कि आपको फांसी दे देने के लिए you are not a good teacher. तो मैं बड़ा शौक रहा। बोले आपको बच्चों को टेंडर क्लियर दे करके उनको बच्चा समझ के बिगाड़ते हैं, फिर वो इंडस्ट्री में आता है तो वही क्लियर होता है। And that is what something missing here. तो इंडस्ट्री में फिर वो कहता है एनवायरमेंट अच्छा नहीं, जॉब क्विट करता है, डिप्रेशन में जाता है और परेशान होता है। You start teaching and reading day one, him as an engineer, as a manager, as a doctor, whatsoever. Build the student as doctor. And then try to treat them as a professional. You will see that right system is coming at the right time. But for God's sake, don't treat them as your child. डॉक्टर अपने बेटे का ऑपरेशन नहीं करता, तो हम अपने बच्चों का अगर जब तक हमने अपना बच्चा समझेंगे, we are doing that right. We need to treat them day one as engineer, फिर आप गैप आएगा आपके और सोच, आप कहेंगे ये तो जरा भी केयर लेता चाहिए। इंडस्ट्री करती केयर मत दो, उसको एज ए इंजीनियर ट्रीट करो, एज ए मैनेजर ट्रीट करो। और आप कहते हो कि मेरे बच्चे को बच्चा आप समझते नहीं, आप तो वो भी नहीं कहते कि ये आपका भी बच्चा है। तो यू कैन रियलाइज दिस पॉइंट ऑफ गैप बिटवीन पेरेंटिंग एंड training and teaching. That where somewhere your son has to be a mature individual who can take his decision. क्लास में बैठा है या कैंटीन में बैठा है, that would be his choice. End of the day आपके उस हाथ को वाटर तक ला दिया, but you cannot force the horse to drink the water. बच्ची होगी कि वो क्या करे। And river beauty is a huge factor. We are having jungle also. We are moving. अब जंगल बच्चा घूमेगा, उसको क्लासरूम में रहना है, कैंटीन में रहना है, जंगल में रहना है। ड्रोन की टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ती है कि ड्रोन को मार गिराना है, एंटी ड्रोन में जाना चाहता है। We are having Center for Excellence for Drone Technology and my previous speaker was the owner of that. उनको हम लोग प्यार से द्रोणाचार्य कहते हैं। So he was talking about that and he is behind that Center for Excellence and he is leading it. So आपको ड्रोन सीखना है, फार्मूला 1 कार रेस में जाना है, उसका भी मॉडल है, उसमें भी हम लोगों ने कई अवार्ड जीते हैं। लगभग आज तक मिला दिया है तो लगभग 100 टन टन के अपने नाम से ऊपर ही हो गए फार्मूला 1 कार के डिजाइन मॉडल में। What do you want to be? It is your choice. Well, इनको करिकुलर एक्टिविटी मैं बोल तो नहीं करता, लेकिन ये गारंटी जरूर देता हूँ कि आप में से आधों को तो बैडमिंटन की ट्रेनिंग नहीं दे सकते। That we are having trainers जो टीचर्स आते हैं, जो स्पोर्ट्स आते हैं, जो कैन इन्वॉल्व इन स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी, मल्टीपल गेम्स आते हैं, and luckily I don't know whether I should say it or not, but I am standing here as one of the heads of the department who is overall champion of the sports tournament last year. The team is MSc, FDA, Humanities and MC. And among all the sports, we were nowhere last year. Last year, 4th is the stream in the rank. And this year, I think we are having chairman CSA, and who is also proud nurturer of physics department, one of them. And his records are on his gift. But if I remember, the training department was having 150 plus points. And the lowest one was having 90. So between third and first there was a gap of 60 points, not 0.01, 0.02. The other records 60 points. But इसमें क्या मिली मैंने justify करें आप जो है जो भी आप कंडीशन है तो you are going in and out of that. और हम लोग जब यहाँ आए तो बुद्धि वन शूटिंग की है तो हमारी टीम में हमने बच्चों को एक स्लोगन दिया जो विनिंग चैंपियन बनी 400 गज का नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव। इस स्लोगन से हम लोग आगे बढ़े और इसलिए हमारी टीम का स्लोगन बना है we could win the overall championship of every department has something very well in its own overall activity, and you have lot many things to learn, lot many things to do. In the process of learning, we learn a lot many other things that is not desirable. अब ये बड़ी जानने की बात है, सोचने की बात है, सीखने की प्रक्रिया में हम वो चीजें भी सीखते हैं जो डिजायरेबल नहीं, ये पीयर लर्निंग इन द कैंपस क्लासरूम में टीचर जो पढ़ाता है उससे ज्यादा बच्चा अपने पीयर प्रोसेस we learn from peer learning from our friends, colleagues, and ultimately collective organization. तो जब हम कुछ जैसे कंप्यूटर साइंस में कुछ फाइलें अटैचमेंट फाइल करके आ जाती है तो वायरस का काम करता है, वैसे we learn something undesirable also that we need to learn as well. So in university life, what to do is important, but what not to do is more important. And it is here at that point I would like to stop my talk and hand over the mic to the other. Thank you, thank you.